So, of course, Business Insider covered that. Stability AI CEO, Ahmad Mostak, competitor to OpenAI, says you're all going to die in 2023. I mean, like this one, if you press play, and it automatically generated a music lyric video. So unfortunately, we don't have sound, but you can go on Deep Floyd AI on Twitter and see it. We might make press as well, what can I say? But then what happened is, I was just chilling, and I got like 5 calls from headmasters of UK schools. Ahmad, what's our generative AI strategy? I was like, what? All our children are using chatgpt to do their homework essays. I was like, don't set homework essays, get good. So again, homework is never the same for every teacher all at once. And so you have to look at your industry, and again, what will not be the same when you have the ability to scale humans?
Yeah.
This is the question that you have to ask yourself. Like in Eton now, a bastion of British education, they do their essays live by hand. Because I told them to do that, because I went to Westminster, who I told to embrace the technology. A bit of rivalry, right? So again, it's as Peter says, there'll only be companies that embrace AI and those who don't. I think the way that it plays out, because I was a hedge fund manager, invested tens of billions of dollars, like I understand markets as well, is that if you are in something that's a SaaS company, you're going to have to really think hard. Because GPT-4, for example, and again, we'll have our equivalent of that, but we're taking a different approach of swarm intelligence versus general, has a 32,000 token context window, which means you can feed it 20,000 words of instructions.
Wow. What is OpenAI at right now?
That's their one, GPT-4, the one that they use. OpenAI is the best language.